Today at Mullin Machinery, we have a beautiful Bridgeport Series 1 2-horsepower milling machine. It's got the large 48-inch table. It's all original paint. Table has all the scraper marks in it. You get close, you can see them there. A couple minor little discoloration spots in the very center that were under a vise, but no holes, no tool marks anywhere. The chrome knee is excellent. I keep blocking the light here, but table's real smooth. The dials, handles turn real smooth. There go your chrome marks are perfect. Both sides. You have the black dials. It's got a servo power feed on the X. You have an Acurite 2-axis digital readout. You have these nice 12-volt lights on both sides. And you have a power drawbar. We don't have the air hooked up at the moment, so we're not going to run a drawbar, but we know it works. One-shot oiler bowl is very clean and great shape. This is serial number 284225. So it's one of the last mills that was completely made in the United States. Came out of a big shop that had a lot of mills, so this one luckily didn't get used a whole lot. I'll run it for you now. Head's nice and quiet. Slight rattle from the drawbar because the drawbar is not tight right now. Then we're up at the top speed. (2,000 RPM). Brake works fine. Put it in the back here. Back in high speed. Which one? Great way. Okay. There we go. There's your power down feed. Your digital readout works fine. We've got the plug the table feed in. Here's your table feed. Your rapid. Your rapid back. Vary speed works fine. There you have it. It's about as clean as you can find in a used Bridgeport. Paint's perfect. Everywhere, all original. We did not touch up on the paint anywhere. Chrome's fine, front and back of the table. So there you have it. Check this machine out and more at mullinmachinery.com. That's MULLIN machinery.com for all your tool room and fabricating needs.